welcome to another edition of Ordinary England. Here we are, back in the allotment. So it's another Allotment Diaries. Look at this. Look at the weather. Oh my word. It's Good Friday, middle of April, and it's absolutely beautiful out here today. And we've just been here really to secure the shed. There we go. I hope you can see that behind you. If not, I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, we're here to secure the shed down so that hopefully it doesn't blow away, and plant some more bits and pieces. I was going to do potatoes today, but that's going to have to wait for a few more days, because I haven't had a chance to get to garden centre to buy the pots. So we will be doing that very soon, hopefully in the next few days. But I've given it a little trim, as you can see. Look at that. Oh, look, there's a beautiful little butterfly down here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it's like at the moment. It's absolutely gorgeous. What more could you ask for on a Easter weekend? Sometimes it's miserable and cold, so we're very thankful. And actually this morning we had something really exciting above our heads, and it came directly over our patch. Was a swarm of bees. So I don't think I've ever seen that. It was just thousands of them all circling around, obviously following the queen. And they actually, I'll get up here, they actually came from over here, and they went across, and they're heading out that way somewhere. So it was amazing. They were just flying over, big swarm. They weren't, you know, not in any danger much, but we shut the shed door, so that the queen couldn't get in and build her nest there. But wow, it was an amazing sight. And they weren't very, you know, they weren't aggressive or anything. We just let them do their stuff, and on we went, and that just lovely. So really not a lot to report. This is kind of the last one. I say I'm going to put in a few more bits in here. There's the potato plot. Hopefully some other bits in there. We've planted some more radish in these ones, and there'll be salad in that one. So but the onions are coming through, and we'll see what else. And some of the salad is actually coming through already. Not that I'm going to be able to have it, so I'm going to be heading away soon. So, but we'll tell you more about that near the time. So that was a short one today, just a little update really of what's going on. As I say, we've been securing the shed. Actually, I'll show you that. So there we go. We've got these blocks to hold it up, and hope it doesn't blow away. So that's what we've been doing. So we're really kind of, now it's just about keeping things nice and tidy, and getting rid of weeds whenever they come, and letting nature do its stuff, which is great. So you know, we'll leave it to that. And as I say, I'm actually going not to be here for a couple of months, as the Japan Diaries are coming back. So yes, we are going to be Japan diarying. And also, if you've seen, I do something called 50 Shades of Rambling On, which is kind of a blog about life at 50. So have a check that out. That will be there'll be a link in the description here. So have a look at that as well. Thank you very much, as always, for watching. I do appreciate it. Giving you our April update. The next one is going to be in July. Wow. Will there be a big change? Let's see. Let's see what happens, shall we? Fingers crossed. So thanks ever so much for watching. Please subscribe, please comment, like, you know, all the bits, and please do follow us if you like to buy me a coffee, as it's called. Links are down below, or Patreon, whichever one you prefer. I'd really appreciate it, as we try and produce stuff to interest you. So from me and a swarm of bees, that's the end of another Allotment Diaries. We'll be back very soon. Thanks for watching all. Take care.